Nazareth taught me that when you have to face something in life, sadly people are going to make you half tongue, for example, just because they want you to go in their own rhythm. But he said, are you not much more valuable than birds? And someone was saying to me, but not even Solomon was dressed like one of the lilies. And I will answer to it. The thing is not being dressed or the clothes. The thing is to obey with love, not by the mandatory of others that are trying to go after riches in a way that, being honest, is abusing. Okay, let's go Jonah Chronicles. And I'm going to create the database really fast here, and I'm going to go to Git batch, hoping that it opens. You know, I was reading the profile of a person that usually has my character, and it says that I don't care much about feedbacks. And I will be honest with you, that is a lie. I do care about feedback, but I don't like that I have to pay, for example, a lot of money to get feedback. But if people are happy with it, we will discuss about that maybe when I die and resurrect again. Okay, let's go to the private includes connection, and in here let's see, for example, the name of the database, okay, is correct. Let's see the process of the login. Let's see, for example, we have user registry, and let's see the name of the fields that are here, username and also password within hash. As simple as that. So let's just users registry. Let's place, let's leave it in 4. I think that is okay. I'm gonna go ID, and we're gonna go here to the auto incremental, and username varchar, and password within hash. Let's place it here. That is going to be also a varchar. Let's say that it is going to be here 11, 24, and here it's going to be 40, and the date of registry. Date time is going to be this, okay? And let's place a current timestamp as default, okay? Let's save. Okay, we can create another table, but being honest, but this one is more than enough for this video. I mean, see, we have another practically another table to create that is for the questions. We have the verse of the question answer, and the question itself. Let's create that one. Let's see if this doesn't get stuck. ID. Let's put 11. Let's go here. Sorry, auto incremental. And let's say that we would like to have the is question. The question is going to be, for example, a voucher of 39. The verse into the question is going to be a text. Let's go to the question answer, and that is going to be also a text. Sorry, I hit on something by mistake. I hit on cancel after that. Okay, and also I will add another column or row. Sorry, it's a column. Okay, it's going to be the date. No, let's see, ID, admin, let's say user, because we will have an admin user link to the question that is going to be inserted. And let's say that this is going to be an index. Okay, let's place it over here, index, and ID admin user. And that was everything. See you in the next video. I hope that you have learned a lot. What I need to do is just to hit put the name of the table. That is going to be, for example, questions to the game. Let's say game question, because that is the right way. And now, remember that Jesus Christ of Nazareth loves you much more than my Lord. By the way, I need to clean it. Bye. Let's see if I don't get any error. I think that I need to put 11 here. Let's hit on save. There you go. Well, see you. By the way, this should be game questions and users registry. Okay. So let's try to fix that. Refacts users registry. Okay. Continue here. And also let's go to game questions, operations, and let's go to games question down, continue. There you go. See you the next time. I don't have to repeat again how much Jesus Christ of Nazareth love you, because there is no words for me to say it. Bye bye.